there is a beautiful country in Asia where the population in the year 2024 stands at 123.5 million. Now it turns out that their population is declining at a rate of roughly 0.5% per year. So the question is, after t years from now, what is the population going to be if it keeps declining 0.5% per year? Well, so let's take a look at this. So at the end of the first year, t equals 1, the population is going to be 123.5 multiplied by 1 minus 0.5%. So at the beginning of year 2, the ending population, which is this entire thing, becomes the beginning population at the start of year 2. And then that undergoes a further contraction by that same factor. So this becomes equal to 123.5 times 1 minus 0.5% squared. So if you were to continue with this logic, you will find that after t years, the population of this country is going to be that expression. Now this, as you can see, has t in the exponent, and so this is called an exponential decline. If the numbers were positive, if it was plus 0.5% instead, it would be an exponential growth. So we want to plot this function and see what this looks like. So we will again go to our favorite tool here. The favorite tool has gone missing for some reason. Let's see. Here we go. Here's Desmos, our graphing calculator, our friend. We go into the graphing calculator, and in this field we type the equation that we just came up with. So the population was denoted by P. Here we will denote it by Y because it recognizes Y as the dependent variable. And so that's 1 minus 0.5% is 0.005 raised to the x. X is what they think of as t. And let's see what that graph looks like. We will have to zoom out in order to see what that graph looks like. We are also not interested in whatever's going on before 0. We're only interested in what's happening after t equals 0. So that's the part of the graph that we are interested in. So if you take a look at this here, right now the x value is 20. So right now at t equals 0, 123.5, at t equals 20, we are getting about a drop of 10 million. The population declines below 100 million at around 45 years. And by 80 years, it's down to about 85, 90 million. So you can do this on your own. I want you to do this and see what the shape looks like. That's what the shape is going to look like. In 500 years, 600 years, this population will be nearly extinct if it continues at this rate. So that was a flavor of what an exponential decline looks like. Now, I want you guys to try a different country in Asia where the population is growing at 1.5% a year and see what that does in 100 years as an exercise. Thank you.